Good morning, gang. I kind of already set up my chart on the hourlies, and so apologies for not waiting for you guys to do that, but I already did it. And it is 9:02. Today is Tuesday. We have news at 10 a.m. Little ISM services PMI. So if I can catch a quick scalp before that, I will do so. If I can't, then we will wait for post-news price action to see what we will do for today. Hope y'all are having a lovely morning or afternoon, evening, whatever it is. It's our GJ chart, a little bit far away from a liquidity sweep, but it could quite possibly happen. EU, I was looking at this, it swept liquidity pre-market, and it hasn't retraced in this order block. I kind of don't want to go with that. Good girl. And I kind of don't want to play with this liquidity sweep. I would like for it to re-sweep. So, we'll see what happens, though. I'm going to mark out the bottom of this, because that's what I'd prefer it to do. We're also in this massive fair value gap. Alright, let me copy. Boom, boom, boom. Copy that. Paste. Paste. Alright, let me get back to the 5-minute on this thing. See, like, just look at how mid this price action is. Swept it. No fair value gaps all the way through here. No breaker blocks. We're tapping into equilibrium, but that's never a confluence that I take by itself. Haven't tapped into the order block. No, there is an inverse fair. Nope, but we broke below it right here. So, yeah, literally no confluences. I need it to retrace into this order block. And if it retraces into this order block, it's most likely going to sweep this liquidity again. So, that'll be fine. We'll have a brand new setup. That's EU. GU. We're bullish on. Go like that. Low-key consolidating on the 1 hour. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, literally, like, obviously super similar price action EU and GU, but yeah, wait for one of these liquidity sweeps. EU, we just want to wait for it to go down. Honestly, GJ is my favorite pair, because on 4 hour, EU and GU are just looking kind of, or I guess mainly GU, it's just looking kind of rough. It's like kind of consolidating, not great price action. So my favorite pair right now is GJ, and I would love to see us sweep this liquidity and freaking fly down to take profits. And we'll see what happens today. Guys, I'm so sorry. I thought my mic was unmuted, but I pressed the little button right here on the side, and it was muted the whole time. But basically, EU, we waited through news. Nothing happened on any of the pairs. Now we're on GU. We swept liquidity. Then news hit, and I marked out this order block. We tapped into the order block, made another high, and broke structure right here. I entered right here with slippage. I got, or yeah, with slippage, I got up like right here. It's literally just a 1-to-1. This is probably gonna be my final take profit because next spot that I would hold to is like maybe the 50% of this fair value gap. But honestly, but like that's just not a great place to leave profits. Maybe I'll close like, I think I'll close like 75% of the position, and then we'll do hold with Heikinashi. So let's actually change that right now, real quick. Edit, take profit, confirm. All right, so I just like turned off take profits for that. So as soon as we hit this, we'll close 75% of the position and hold that last 20% for Heikinashi's on the 1 minute. Damn, bro. Thank God this trade hit. I haven't traded in a minute, or technically it hasn't hit yet, but I'm just glad we got to trade because I haven't traded in a minute. Look at that freaking candle. I predicted that. I'm the GOAT. I'm the GOAT, man. I'm the GOAT. Yep. About to hit take profit. Let's freaking go. We're up $1,000. Partial close. Wait, what's 75% of 6? 75%. Oh, shoot, bro. Oh, shoot. 4.5. 4.5. Close. All right, we close that. Let's hop down to the 1 minute, switch to Heikinashi. And now as soon as we get a red candle close, we are out for the day. I already closed that 75% closed us for 765. Let's freaking go. Already up 765 on the day. And now we're going to hold for this. And as soon as we get a red candle, we will hop out completely. And go like this. Do a little split screen right here. Boom ding. Let's go. Keep flying, baby. Keep flying. Oh, man. I talk about not bringing emotions into the chart so much, and I'm like tweaking out. I'm not actually tweaking out. Like, I'm never going to act on these emotions. I'm locked in. I'm just like glad that we're trading because we haven't traded in a minute, and I want to keep making these live day trading videos for you guys. So, with the crazy people meet on the street. Let's go, baby. Let's go, bro. Let's go. We're still floating 300 in profit. This candle's kind of moving slow, bro. When the crazy people meet on the street. Oh, yeah. Oh, bro. W day. It wasn't the prettiest of trades, but it'll do. click for Instagram. Probably shouldn't show this. Copy. When the crazy people meet on the street. Bro, I just took that picture. Does that not save to my freaking... Save photo. I don't know where that sound came from, but okay. Alright, a little red candle. Kind of just been consolidating after hitting this second line that I marked out. Alright, so we just got that first red candle. Let's freaking close the trade. Close. Alright. Boom. Up 1,063 today. Here is today's profits. I will show you guys right now. Close positions. Open this one, I guess. Alright. You can see. Let's turn this off, see if that's better. Focus. I don't know if you can see it or not, but you can see it says on the day 1,000, and then that top one is the 283 that we just closed, and the bottom one is the 787 or 276 and 787. So boom, baby, that's how we do it. I love Trade Locker. Close that, and that's the trade for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. This was a pretty smooth, pretty easy trade, as we can see. Again, apologies for not getting the full analysis in real time. This mic was accidentally muted. Sometimes I accidentally press this button. Oh, I just did it. So, but thanks for watching. I'm glad you guys got to see this, and you got to see how I hold for Heikinashi again. I will see you guys in the next time that we trade. Later.